In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete reposts on TikTok. As usual in this channel, we don't waste your time. We just dive right into the content you are looking for. Open the TikTok app. Then when you open the TikTok app, you will see the home screen section here. What I want you to do after navigating to the home screen section, tap on your profile at the bottom to the right, that one there. Then there are various options here for your videos, the lock icon for the private videos, and the repost icon. This is the repost icon. Now you will select the repost that you want to delete. For instance, let me say I want to delete this repost here. What do? I'll click on the share icon, this one to the at the very bottom. Okay, this one here. Then I'll look for a button for removing repost. There are various buttons here, but now which button are we interested in? Removing repost. Click on it. By doing that, you will remove that repost from your profile. As you can see here, the repost has been removed. Thank you guys for watching. If you found value in this video, please remember to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.